As you know, I'm Alex from the YouTube channel eDrive. In this video I like to show you another very big advantage of driving an electric car. People always talking about saving gasoline. You don't need to spend that much money for the gasoline. No! There's a lot of savings, not only gasoline. For example, here in Stuttgart you can park on public parking spaces for free. So, for example, here you can see that's a public parking place in front of Milaneo shopping center. That's a very big shopping center here behind me, and going there inside it's a very big shopping center. And actually on this parking spots here along the road you need to pay, and it's very expensive. Here it says for 10 minutes parking it costs already 90 cents, or maximum 1 hour, and that costs you then €4. So maximum €4 for 1 hour, and if you order that you need to leave here. Then additionally there is another parking inside the shopping center, or let's say under the shopping center. That's the parking inside the shopping center, and that's very expensive parking also inside the garage. And here you need to pay the parking under the shopping center, €3 per hour. Quite expensive too. So you see, driving an electric car brings you a lot of savings. Not only the cheap energy costs, the electric energy compared to the gasoline or diesel. No, there's a lot of savings all in all, not only the energy. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the little bell button beside the subscribe button. And if you haven't yet, please give me a thumbs up if you like it, or thumbs down if you don't like it. It's your choice, your opinion. Just give me, I like to see it. Thank you and bye bye. See you in my next videos.